Welcome back to new exercise, and here we are going to create a crankshaft in SolidWorks. So this is the 2D drawing. So let's check side view. Now first we will, this is the front view and this is the web drawing. 60 radius, this upper diameter 50 and distance 50 millimeter from this center point. Then corner radius 15, this is 5, and the thickness of this web here you will see 15 millimeter. Look, both webs are identical. Now then we have to cut 3 millimeter 12 degree. So we will cut throughout and we will get a perfect shape. So let's first you have to make sure the units are in millimeter. Front plane sketch. Now let me activate circle. Now the first circle, center one is 60 radius, so diameter 120, and the upper diameter 50. Okay. Now I am going to connect these two ends. Again press L key in your keyboard and activate the line tool and connect to this. Again activate L key in keyboard and activate. Connect here and press escape key to out. Look. Now let's define some more dimensions. So activate smart dimension. This center dimension 50 millimeter, and make one important relation. Hold shift key, these 2 points vertical. See, this drawing is fully defined, but there are too many things inside. So just activate trim entity, power trim, and just trim. Just press left mouse and drag. Again here also, drag, drag. Look, this is the perfect shape which we need. This is closed geometry, even though power trim and this also trim, this side. Now this is perfect closed profile. Activate extruded boss base tool. Now look, even though you can drag this arrow, click and drag, but here end condition we have to choose blind. 15 millimeter is the thickness. Look, right plane sketch. Now we want to cut here, so I'll activate line tool, connect this line to this line, exit or escape key. Now these angle 12 degree, and the distance between these 2 points 3 millimeter. Now see, the drawings are fully defined. Activate extruded cut feature. Keep end condition through all both. Now look, arrow goes inside. If I am going to say yes, look, it is deleted back side. We want to delete this side or cut this side. Click activate, and here one option, flip side to cut. Just check the box, say yes. Look, if you see this section view, there is a oblong or some shape like this. This radius 7.25, but the most important thing, distance 4 millimeter from here to here offset. So if you are going to see 135 minus 50, and this is 25, so this will be 75. 25 plus 50, 75. 75 minus 4 is 71 millimeter. Then we have to create this 7.5 radius. Then there is a hole, and this hole diameter where exactly? Here. 5 millimeter, depth 35 millimeter. Then this rod is there. This rod diameter here shows dotted line 35 and the length 40. There is 2 holes. This diameter 5, distance 4. This is lies at the center of the body. Even though you will see the dimension 8 millimeter. And fillet corner fillets are 2 millimeter. These have fillets, these have fillet, these have fillet. So let's apply. Now let's create a plane. Top plane. Now distance 75 minus 4. It's 71 millimeter. Say OK. Activate, click sketch, circle. Now this radius 7.25 into 2. That's it. And center distance, not center distance, the distance from outer edge shown 14.5. It is not fully defined, so hold shift key, select the center point and origin point, make relation or constraint vertical. Now activate extruded boss base tool. Now here choose up to, next is not here, so up to surface, so I am going to choose this. See, this is going to lies up to here, say OK. Click and hide. Hole wizard. Now I am going to choose a hole, keep metric, drill size, and the diameter is 5. See, length 35. And the depth is only up to shoulder, not up to tip. Rest keep as it is. Position. Now I am going to choose this, and you will find here center point place. Escape key to out, check isometric view, say yes. If I am going to choose right plane, section view, OK. Look how the hole is created, OK. Now let's start to apply this corner fillet. Activate fillet, constant size fillet. The first radius 5 millimeter symmetric, and I am going to choose these two edges. Simple circular profile, say yes. Again, even though you can click on the corner and you will see two options, fillet and chamfer, fillet, and this time constant size fillet 15 millimeter radius symmetric. Even if you move your cursor near the edge, it will appear and click. You don't need to turn the model. Fillet. Now this time constant size fillet 2 millimeter. I'll choose this, select this edge, OK. Now even though this edge, this one, say OK. Now this is not look good. So there is an option, go to direct editing, delete face. Here choose delete and fill. I'll choose 1, 2, 3, OK. Now see, this is delete and filled. Look, this is perfect. Fillet 5 millimeter, and I am going to choose this edge. Now reverse, and let's make here a sketch, select the face, activate circle and move cursor, and you will find center point 35. Now activate extruded boss base, and the length of this 40 millimeter, so keep end condition blind, 40 millimeter in one direction, and this is unmerged result because we want to mirror this body, not this center part. So unmerge, say OK. Now here if you see bodies, we have two bodies. Now that's it. Now we want to mirror. So before going to create plane, select these two faces, and we are going to create a mid plane. See, we selected these two faces, say yes. Now activate mirror tool. Now here the plane is selected. Now activate mirror body, select this whole body, say yes. Look, it's mirror, perfect. Click on plane, hide. Now we have three bodies. 1, 2, 3. Right plane sketch. Now activate circle. Here we have 2 holes. This is 5. Now hold shift key and select both the holes equal relation. You will see here equal. Say OK. Now hold shift key, select center point and make relation constraint. Smart point 24 and this distance given 8 millimeter. And this is lies at the center. So from here to here it's 35 by 2. Look. Activate extruded cut feature and here click end condition through all both. See. Yes. Now the hole is created. Here is time to make this shaft both side. So first 74 millimeter this length is given, 15 millimeter this side. So you have to calculate 104 from this end to this end. No, first let's calculate this one. 15, 40, 15. It's 60, 70 minus 74 divided by 2. So these 35 diameter 2 millimeter thick. Now this is 104. So 74 minus 104, 30 divided by 2, because here 15 already shown. So even you can minus 15 and you will get 15 this side. Then from here to here 83, 17, 10, 20, just note down the dimension. This outside diameter 15, this diameter 17, this is 15, 30. So let's do this. Right plane sketch. Now first let me draw a center line. Activate line. Now little go here, taper, now let's define the dimensions. Now the first one is 2 millimeter according to calculation. This one comes 15 millimeter. Okay. Now from here to here it's 83.5 millimeter. That's perfect. Now this comes 17. This comes 10. And this comes 20. Perfect. Now let's define the diameter. From here to here, if you move cursor down, you will see the diameter. Click 35, enter. Similarly for this, click 35, enter. For this 25, say yes or press enter key. This one shows 17, enter, and the last one 15, yes. Now this drawing is fully defined. Now let's connect this end to this line. Activate revolve boss base tool. Now it is asking you, would you like to close the sketch, because this is not closed geometry. So say yes. Now it already detected this center line or axis line, axis of revolution, this construction line, end condition blind 360 degree because we need solid body. Even though you can keep merge here, result no issue. See. Now let's come to another part. Here also this is 2 millimeter, this is 15 millimeter, and this one 65 millimeter, and here this end 15, and you have to calculate this end. $83.5 plus 104 plus 65 plus 15 minus 271, 3.5. So these flanges are 3.5. Again, I am going to choose the same right plane, sketch, center line. Let's draw one center line. Escape key to out. Again choose line. The first one is only 2 millimeter, come down. Second, and the third one is little bigger. Okay, let's define. I am going to choose these two, 35. Let's select this, 30. Now this select 25. Okay, now this one 18 millimeter, and the last one is 15 millimeter. Okay, escape key, and this diameter to 15. Now distance from here to here 65. Just correct the geometry. Activate smart dimension. This one comes 15, and this is after calculation we found 3.5. Look, this is fully defined. Activate line tool and just close from this end to this end, because this is now still the geometry is close open, but there is a one construction line for closing purpose. Activate revolve boss base tool. It is asking you, would you like to close? Say yes, and it is automatically detected the center line or axis of revolution. Blind end condition, keep blind, and the angle of rotation 360 degree, because we want a solid 360 body. Keep merge, say okay. See, you will see there are chamfer 1, 2, 3, because in here we already write all chamfers 1 mm 45 degree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 chamfers, and okay, 12.7 there is a key slot. Key slot always one side close. 3.4, 2.5. So first create chamfer so that we will not get any headache or anything. Angle, distance angle 1 millimeter and 45 degree. So I am going to choose this edge, this edge, now this is not going to select because this is lies in another body, that's why we are not able to choose this one. Say okay, and again activate chamfer. Angle distance 1 millimeter and 45 degree. Say okay, because before going to create key slot you have to make chamfer. Okay, for this I am going to directly choose from here center rectangle. Activate smart dimension 3.4, 2.5. Now select the upper edge and this one tangent, hold shift key, center point and origin point, make relation vertical. This is fully defined. Activate extruded cut feature. Here choose blind and the depth 12.7 millimeter, say yes. Look. Activate fillet, because in key slot always the end parts are closed, circular. So I am going to choose here full round fillet. I will show you, this is very important fillet. I will choose one, second this, third this, and you will see the preview full round fillet. Tangent propagation full view, say yes. Look. Now the second slot D, section D, 16.5 millimeter from this end. Either we can create a plane or there is one more technique I will show you. And this one is like here 3.5. This is this thing, and this is light at center, so both ends should be closed. Then there is a one more, there are many number of slots you will see in section B. 1.8 the depth, 30 angle means there are 12 number of, if you divide 360 by 30, it's 12 number of patterns, and this pattern, okay, you will see this pattern length 21.5, there is corner radius 21. So I am going to try this. Center rectangle, activate smart dimension 5, and vertical shows 3.5. Now select this end point. Actually it should be lies on this, so this end point, okay, and this one tangent. Select center of rectangle, hold shift key, origin, vertical. This is fully defined. Now there is a trick. Activate extruded cut. Now the length, here choose blind. Length is 20. That's fine. Keep end condition mid. Half this side, half this side. But start condition we will change, offset. How much distance shown? 16.5. Look, it's going to move from here to mid. This is already a mid, so 16.5 is moved from here to here. Length we selected, end condition mid 20. Say yes. Look, fillet, full round fillet, face 1, face 2, select the third one, face 3, say yes. Again activate fillet, phase 1, phase 2, third, phase 3, say yes. Now look, the key slot is created. Now comes to this end. Right plane sketch, activate line tool, and let's activate, go back to the point and you will see curve up to this outer edge, connect, okay, activate smart dimension. These length shows 21.5, 21, these height according to those it's 1.8. Okay, let's check what else balance, why this is not fully defined. Okay, select this line horizontal. Now this is fully defined. Now depth is 3 millimeter. So I'll choose cut 3 millimeter. Keep end condition mid plane. See, yes. Look, the slot is cut. Activate circular profile. Now here direction I am going to choose any circular edge, even though you can choose axis also. Now here I am going to simply choose equal spacing, 12 number of patterns, because 360 divided by 15 you will get 12 number of patterns. Or even though choose instances spacing, degree 30 is shown in drawing, right? Feature, select this, say yes. Look, okay, so these also created. Now there is a countersink hole, 2 number of holes. So 2 number of hole means at one end and at another end, that's fine. And what is the thing? 3 millimeter hole, depth 6, countersink diameter 6 millimeter, 90 degree. Hole wizard. Now here we have option here, see, countersink. Keep, this is flat head screw, M3 let's choose. Keep fit close, and here show custom. Now here we will change diameter 3, and this is the countersink diameter 6. 9 degree of countersink, 90 degree. This is 180 at bottom. So this is keep as it is. Blind end condition. 6 millimeter is the depth of 3 millimeter hole, right? And we will consider depth up to shoulder, not up to tip. So keep shoulder. Position. Click this face. Move cursor and click escape key to out, and just rotate your model and you will see the preview. Say OK. Look, if you click on the part, you will see the dimensions. Similarly, again I am going to apply the same thing, hole wizard, countersink, everything I am going to choose the same, 3, 6, blind, I means depth 6 millimeter, countersink diameter 6, and angle of countersink 90, 3 millimeter. Just rotate, go to position, click this end and place at the center. Escape key to out. Say OK. Look, if I am going to select, you will see the full dimension. Look, that's perfect. Let's say right view, section view, say OK. Now here see are all holes, the slot holes, this slot hole, and this is countersink hole. Now we have too many bodies here, so just go to direct editing, and here you will find option combine. Even though go to tabs, right click on tabs, and here you will find direct editing, combine. Now let's select one. Make sure you selected add bodies 2, 3. 3 bodies are here. Say OK. Now here you will see one only body, combined body. Now let's apply, change the appearance. We like to keep like this. See. So this is the simple tutorial. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.